Greetings and namaskar to each one who came here to watch this video. So, in this question, we have to find out the values of V1, V2 and V3. So, let's firstly complete this diagram. As you can see, 1 volt is given over here. So, as you know, with the concept of virtual ground, this is also 1 volt. And this is going to this terminal. So, it will be also 1 volt. And similarly, this one also 1 volt. Now, coming to this part. As you can see, it is grounded means it is 0. So that's why this is also 0. Now let's mark the point. So let this point be A. And this point be B. Now proceeding further, let's mark the direction of current. So let's first start from here. Let us mark here. Let it be I1. And the current, outgoing current here is I2. Now moving to this. The current moving from this direction is, let it be I3, and this outgoing current be I4. So that's it. So now let's solve it to find the values of these three outputs. So as you can see, we have already marked this is V1 is equals to 1 volt. So obviously V1 is equals to 1 volt. Only through the diagram we have drawn with the value of V1. Now proceeding further, let's solve for point A to find the value of V2. So at point A, I1 is equals to I2. So 0 minus 1 for I1, 0 minus 1 divided by 20 is equals to, for I2, it is 1 minus V2. So 1 minus V2 divided by 400. So as you can see, cancelling the 0 to 1, it's 20. So we get minus 20 is equals to 1 minus V2. And from here, V2 is equals to positive of 21 volts. So here we get the value of V2 also. Now it's turn of V3. Let's solve at point B. So at point B, I3 is equals to I4. That is V1, that is 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 divided by 30 is equals to 0 minus V3 divided by 300. So you can see it is 10 times. So from here we will get the value of V3, which is obviously minus 10. So like this we are able to find the values of V1, V2, V3 respectively. No matter how complicated the question goes on, it is the simple trick that you use to solve any question very easily. Now in this question, we have to find out the output voltage, that is this V0. So let's start. So this is given as 1 volt. So from voltage follower, this is also 1 volt. And these are same, so this is also 1 volt. And similarly, it is also a voltage follower. So 1 volt to this also. And again, as you can see, 1 volt which goes to this. So following voltage, it is 1 volt, and similarly this is also 1 volt. So what is left? Only this point is left. So let this unknown voltage be Vx. Now let's mark the points. Let this point be A and this point be B. Now let's mark the direction of the current. So the current entering from this side is, let's say it is I1, and this outgoing current be I2. And here around B, let's say this entering current is I3 and this outgoing current is I4. So this is it. Let's first solve for point A. So at point A, I1 is equals to I2. So 0 minus 1 volt, 0 minus 1 divided by 20, its resistance, is equals to 1 minus Vx. 1 minus Vx divided by its resistance, that is 200. Now you can see this is 10 times. So we get minus 10 here, which is equals to 1 minus Vx. So from here we get Vx is equals to 11. So here we get the value of Vx. Now let's move to the point B. So at point B, I3 is equals to I4. I3 is Vx. So Vx minus 1 divided by 30 is equals to 1 minus V0 divided by 300. Let us solve for it. Putting the value of Vx from here, 11 minus 1, 10 into 10 is 100. So 100 is equals to 1 minus V0. So here we get V0 is equals to minus 99 volt. So here this minus 99 volt is the output voltage of the circuit. And now the last two questions are left. They are more complex, but no matter how complex the question is, but we are going to use the same trick, that is incoming current is equals to the outgoing current. Hope you found this video productive. Thanks for giving your time here. Take care.